In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Booking Link in Go High Level. If you want a fast, reliable way for clients to book time with you, your calendar's shareable link is the simplest tool to use. I'll walk you through logging in, finding the right calendar, and choosing the best link format for different sharing scenarios. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Go High Level. In the results, choose the official Go High Level site so you're working directly in the platform. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to log into the app and click it. On the sign-in screen, enter your email address and password, or use the Sign In with Google option if that's how your account is set up. Be sure you're using the business account that's tied to your calendars. After you're signed in, you may see an option that says "Click here to switch." This is helpful if you manage multiple locations or sub-accounts. Click it, then choose the specific account where the calendar you want to share lives. Selecting the correct account ensures you copy the right link later. From the left-hand navigation, head to Calendars, then open Calendar Settings. This is where all of your scheduling calendars are listed. Locate the calendar you want people to book on. This might be for a specific service, team member, or location. Next, find the three dots to the right of that calendar's name and select Share. This opens the sharing options so you can grab a link without changing any other settings. You'll see two link choices. The permanent link is great for places where you don't want to update the URL later, like social media bios or printed materials. It stays consistent over time. The scheduling link points straight to the booking page with a clean, user-friendly URL, which makes it ideal for emails, text messages, or anywhere you want a straightforward link. Click to copy the option that best fits where you plan to share it. That's it. You've logged in, chosen the right account, navigated to calendar settings, opened the share menu, and copied either the permanent link or the scheduling link. Use that link anywhere you invite people to schedule with you, on your website, in your email signature, or in direct messages, so bookings flow directly into your Go High Level calendar.